So I just bought this car, 1965 Impala. It's not completely original, but I'm gonna get it there. It looks a little ugly, but that's all right. It doesn't have a 283. Got a pretty good deal on it. It runs, but it's just not street legal, so I'm towing it. This is the car that David Torres helped me find. He helped me find another one when I was in high school. It's hurting. This car is hurting. It needs a lot of love, but we're gonna get it straight. We're gonna get it straight. See that 1965 Impala, 4-door sedan. Not a hardtop, but it's all right. It's not bad on the inside. As you can see the floor, the ground, but everything else looks pretty good. The chrome, see the compressor back there. Seats are in mint condition. See them brand new seats. See that interior, brand new interior. Nah, just joking.